Here's how you can check and redeem your gold coins balance. Tap the gold coin banner on your Paytm for Business app home screen, or go to the Cashback and Offers section at the bottom of the home page. Tap the Check Balance button in the Paytm Gold Coins banner. Now, you will see your total gold coins balance. Once you collect at least 1,500 gold coins, you can convert them into real gold. 1,500 gold coins are worth rupees 15 real gold. So if your gold coins balance is 4,550, it means you can convert it to 45.5 rupees worth real gold. Now tap Convert to Real Gold to proceed. You'll be redirected to the Paytm app, where your earned gold appears automatically in the Paytm Gold section. To withdraw or sell your earned gold, go back to the Paytm Gold homepage. Here you will see the live gold rates. Now tap Withdraw Gold and select the Cash in Bank option. Choose from Sell in Rupees or Sell by Grams, then tap Proceed. Enter your UPI ID or bank account details, then tap Continue to sell. The amount will be credited to your selected account. And it's done. So start accepting card payments and earn gold coins with your Paytm Card Machine.
Paytm karo.